In our first video about data between Salesforce and Google Spreadsheets, we discussed how to get data from Salesforce into Google Spreadsheets. In this video, we will specifically focus on how to update your data in Google Spreadsheets and get it back into Salesforce. So for example, I have all of my opportunities in a report that include the opportunity name, amount, and close date. I want to be able to update this data in Google Spreadsheets and then upload it back into Salesforce. In order to do this, I will have to first get this data into Google Spreadsheets, including the opportunity ID. This is very important because when we upload the data back into Salesforce, the Google connector needs to know which opportunity to update. So I am going to pull this report data into Google Spreadsheets. To do this, I will click on Add-on, Data Connector for Salesforce, and Open. Once the Data Connector for Salesforce is open and I have logged in, I'll select the Reports option to pull the report that I just created into Salesforce. By selecting Search All Reports, entering the name of the report, and pressing Search. Once that report has been selected, I will press Get Data. Now I will be able to update this data and then send it back to Salesforce. In order to do this, just simply update the data that you want to change. So for example, this Frank Cooper opportunity, I want to rename to 2018, change the date to 2018, and change the amount to $1,000. You can continue to do this for as many records as you like. Once you are done, select the records that you want to update back into Salesforce. In the Data Connector for Salesforce add-on, click the back button and select Update. This will walk you through a series of screens that will help you update this data correctly into Salesforce. The first screen will show you the rows that you have selected. The next thing you want to do is select the object that you will be updating. So I will select Opportunity. And the third thing it will ask you is whether this is an insert operation, an update, or an insert or update. In this example, we want to update the data. In order to update the data, it will ask you what is the ID column, or where is the data that contains the ID of these records. So I will select column A, which is where my IDs are. The add-on will also show you where the results of the update operation will appear, which in our case will be in column G. And press Next. In this next screen, you will be asked which fields you want to update. This gives you a lot of control on exactly the data you want to upload back into Salesforce. So I know that I did not update the opportunity ID or the account name. However, I did update the opportunity name, so I will keep that selected and make sure that I am linking that to the correct field in Salesforce, which is the opportunity name. I did not update the stage. I did update the amount and the close date. Press Execute. This will give you a final warning asking you if you want to update the two items. Press Update. And after just a few seconds, you will see the results of the update. If I go back to my report and refresh, I should see the Frank Cooper opportunities update. As you can see, the data has now been updated in Salesforce. If you have any questions about this topic, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and share it with a colleague or a friend. We upload a new video on the topic of Salesforce tips and tutorials every week, so consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.